Let's face it, everybody loves cake. Whether it's a birthday, a wedding, or just a casual get-together, cake has a magical way of bringing people together. It's more than just a dessert, it's a symbol of joy and celebration. It symbolizes celebration, indulgence, and pure, unadulterated happiness. The sight of a beautifully decorated cake can light up a room and bring smiles to faces of all ages. But baking a cake from scratch? That's a labor of love, often reserved for special occasions. The process involves measuring, mixing, baking, and decorating, which can be time-consuming and requires a certain level of skill. Enter the factory-made cake. Factory-made cakes satisfy our collective sweet tooth without the time commitment. These cakes are a convenient solution for those who crave the taste of a delicious cake but don't have the time or expertise to bake one themselves. They're readily available, consistently tasty, and surprisingly affordable. You can find them in almost any supermarket, ready to be picked up and enjoyed at a moment's notice. But how do they achieve this feat of mass-produced deliciousness? The secret lies in the meticulous process that combines efficiency with quality. The answer lies in a fascinating combination of carefully selected ingredients, cutting-edge technology, and a dash of culinary ingenuity. Each ingredient is chosen for its ability to enhance flavor, texture, and shelf life. Join me as we venture behind the scenes to uncover the secrets of factory-made cakes, exploring the intricate processes that transform simple ingredients into perfectly uniform, visually appealing treats. From the mixing of the batter to the final decorative touches, we'll see how these cakes are crafted to perfection, ensuring that every bite is as delightful as the last. At the heart of every factory-made cake lie the ingredients. Flour, sugar, eggs, oil, and leavening agents form the foundation. But unlike home bakers, factories source ingredients in bulk, often partnering directly with suppliers to ensure consistent quality and year-round availability. Take flour, for example. Factories use specific varieties milled to exact specifications, guaranteeing predictable gluten development and consistent cake texture. Sugar too undergoes rigorous testing. Its moisture content and granularity are carefully controlled to achieve optimal sweetness and browning during baking. Once the ingredients are sourced, the real magic begins on the production line. This is where raw materials are transformed into delicious cakes through a series of meticulously planned steps. Imagine a carefully orchestrated ballet of industrial-sized mixers, each one designed to handle specific tasks with precision and efficiency. Conveyor belts move ingredients seamlessly from one station to the next, while towering ovens stand ready to bake the final product to perfection. The process begins with mixing. This is a critical step where the foundation of the cake's texture and flavor is established. Giant stainless steel vats transform massive quantities of ingredients into perfectly homogeneous batter. These vats are engineered to mix at just the right speed and duration. Precision is key here. Overmixing can lead to tough cakes, while undermixing results in uneven texture. The mixers are calibrated to ensure the batter is just right. Next, the batter embarks on a journey through a network of automated depositors. These machines are designed to handle large volumes with incredible accuracy. The depositors precisely portion the batter into molds of various shapes and sizes, ensuring uniformity in every cake produced. These molds then travel on conveyor belts into massive ovens. The conveyor system is synchronized to ensure each mold reaches the oven at the perfect time. Inside the ovens, the cakes bake at carefully controlled temperatures. This ensures that each cake is baked evenly, with a perfect crumb and golden crust. Consistency is paramount in mass production. Consumers expect every bite of a factory-made cake to taste identical to the last. Achieving this level of uniformity requires rigorous quality control measures at every stage of the process. Sensors monitor oven temperatures, ensuring even baking. Metal detectors scan for any stray foreign objects. And trained inspectors meticulously examine finished cakes, rejecting any that don't meet the stringent visual and structural standards. This emphasis on quality control extends to the packaging process. Cakes are carefully sealed in airtight containers to maintain freshness and prevent damage during transportation. Section 5. Beyond the basic recipe, trade secrets, and technological advancements. Factory-made cakes may rely on familiar ingredients, but their production often involves trade secrets and cutting-edge technology. Take emulsifiers, for instance. These ingenious additives create smoother, more homogeneous batters, resulting in cakes with a finer crumb and extended shelf life. Then there's flash freezing, a technique used to preserve cakes at peak freshness. By rapidly freezing cakes immediately after baking, factories lock in moisture and flavor, ensuring a delicious experience for consumers, even weeks later. Section 6. The art of illusion crafting visually appealing cakes. Factory-made cakes aren't just about taste, they're also about visual appeal. Intricate frosting designs, colorful sprinkles, and perfectly placed decorations elevate these treats from simple cakes to miniature masterpieces. Automated icing machines pipe intricate patterns with precision and speed that would make even the most skilled pastry chef envious. Conveyor belts transport cakes beneath cascading curtains of sprinkles, ensuring even coverage, and robotic arms delicately place decorative elements with pinpoint accuracy. Section 7. Accessibility and affordability. The merits of mass production. The true beauty of factory-made cakes lies in their accessibility and affordability. Mass production allows factories to produce cakes on a large scale, reducing production costs and making them affordable for the average consumer. This means that a wider range of people can enjoy a slice of celebration, regardless of their budget or baking skills. Furthermore, factory-made cakes are readily available in supermarkets, convenience stores, and even online. This widespread availability ensures that a sweet treat is never too far away, satisfying our collective cake cravings with unparalleled convenience. Section 8. A slice of reality balancing convenience with conscious consumption. While factory-made cakes offer undeniable convenience and affordability, it's important to acknowledge the potential downsides. The mass production of cakes, while efficient, often leads to significant food waste. Mass production can contribute to food waste if consumer demand isn't accurately predicted. Unsold cakes often end up discarded, contributing to a larger environmental issue. Additionally, the use of preservatives and additives, which are essential for extending shelf life and maintaining taste, while ensuring shelf life and taste, might raise concerns for health-conscious consumers. These additives, though approved for consumption, can sometimes be a point of contention for those who prefer natural ingredients, might raise concerns for health-conscious consumers. Reading labels and understanding what goes into our food becomes crucial for those who are mindful of their diet. Ultimately, the choice between a homemade cake and a factory-made one comes down to personal preference and priorities. Homemade cakes offer the comfort of knowing exactly what ingredients are used, and the joy of baking can be a rewarding experience. Both options have their merits, and understanding the intricate processes behind mass-produced cakes allows us to make informed decisions about the foods we consume. Homemade cakes might lack the uniformity and convenience of store-bought ones, but they make up for it with a personal touch and often a healthier ingredient list. And understanding the intricate processes behind mass-produced cakes allows us to make informed decisions about the foods we consume. The technology and precision involved in factory production are impressive, ensuring consistency and quality in every bite. So, the next time you reach for a slice of perfectly uniform store-bought cake, take a moment to appreciate the blend of science, technology, and culinary artistry that made it possible. Each slice represents a culmination of efforts from various fields, all working together to bring a convenient and tasty treat to your table. Take a moment to appreciate the blend of science, technology, and culinary artistry that made it possible. Whether you choose the convenience of a store-bought cake or the personal touch of a homemade one, being aware of the journey your food takes can enhance your appreciation and enjoyment of it.